The benefits of factory automation with 5G is the gain of flexibility and mobility of the production equipment, such as robots adapted on HUVs. URLLC is the basic for guaranteed data transmission and therefore the first requirement for personal safety applications.
5G URLLC stands for 5G Ultra-Reliable Low-Latency Communication. So the signal will never use more than 3 milliseconds, for instance. And that is actually the communication characteristics that are needed for certain applications, and Profinet is one of those.
Our goal with this URLLC project was to showcase that we can run our regular automation in the factory with the wireless communication. And we needed determinism, which up to now Wi-Fi standards cannot provide.
But we are showing an example here that to transport safety protocols, the underlying mechanisms need to be very stable and reliable. And that is what 5G URLLC brings. The demo shows a robot cell that is connected via 5G. And then we have a laser curtain that protects one side of the cell so that if someone reaches into the robot cell, and the robot stops so that no one can get hurt. And the laser curtain uses ProfiSafe as a protocol to secure functional safety of an application.
In factory automation, having to synchronize all the machines, the robot equipments together with the PLCs, we need deterministic low latency communication. And up to now, this was only doable through wired networks. But if we want to be more flexible in the future, we need to omit those cables and we need to come to a wireless communication. This is something that in the end will then benefit the entire world that is working in production, because they will be able to use a 5G network to drive their operations.